Hey guys, so I went back to the Halloween footage and I rewatched it, and it got me thinking that why would the neighbours complain about the noise when the loudest thing that happened was the fruit bowl being thrown? I just thought that it's not really enough to complain. Like, you could drop something, accidents happen, and they've hoovered later than that. Uh, so I don't know. I thought that was odd. So I went back to the whole night. I went through everything, fine tooth comb, and I found this. So there was quite a lot of noise coming from the bathroom, um, and I didn't manage to catch any of it on camera because I don't have a camera in there. And it's so unusual because nothing ever happens in there. Like, it's always down in the kitchen or the living room. Like, it's the main hotspot for all that stuff. I've never seen or heard anything in the bathroom before. So what I've decided I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the cameras from downstairs and I'm going to put it in there for a few days, turn it on a night, as I do with the rest, and just see if we catch anything, and I'll post that to you guys as and when it happens.